Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to earn in KuCoin using easy methods. KuCoin offers several accessible avenues to grow your crypto portfolio. We'll dive into simple strategies that don't require extensive trading experience. From earning passive income through staking and lending to automating your trades with bots, there are many ways to make your digital assets work for you. Let's explore these straightforward options together. Staking and lending are excellent ways to earn passive income on KuCoin. With staking, you can lock up certain cryptocurrencies and receive rewards, often ranging from 5% to 20% annual percentage yield. Lending allows you to lend your crypto to other users for a set period, earning daily interest. Both methods offer flexible and fixed-term options, providing a steady stream of income with minimal active management. KuCoin's trading bots can automate your earning process, making it incredibly easy. The grid trading bot, for instance, buys low and sells high within a set price range, aiming for consistent profits in fluctuating markets. You can also use the Smart Rebalance bot to automatically adjust your portfolio, ensuring your asset allocation remains optimal. These bots work around the clock, requiring minimal intervention once configured. KuCoin frequently offers promotions and learn and earn programs, providing additional easy earning opportunities. By participating in campaigns, you can receive bonus tokens or discounts. The Learn and Earn feature rewards you with cryptocurrency for completing short educational courses. Always check the announcements section for new listings and events, as these often come with lucrative opportunities to earn extra digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.